Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Only Best, and you're welcome to Only Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are okay. All right, my old subscribers, I love you for always coming back. You mean the whole world. Like I'm seeing you guys. I'm seeing you. I'm seeing your views, and I appreciate you. Okay, if you're new to my channel, you're also welcome. Like I also appreciate you for even stopping by. Now I advise you to turn the notification bell on when you're done subscribing, so that as soon as I'm coming live or I'm doing a video, you'll be the first to know. The YouTube is going to notify you about that. Okay, you don't want to miss out on any of these videos. Like every one of them is important. In this level, every one of them is important. You need to go through them. I also have some videos in my YouTube that you can also go through, my old videos. Follow them gradually, all right, and meet us here at this point that we are, so that we can ride together. It is very important to go through the old videos, trust me. Okay, I wouldn't mind if you share me to your family, your friends. Guys, it means a lot to the channel. If you love Onyebes Beauty, if you love what I do here, please share my videos. All right, there are so many ways to show love to someone. All right, and when you do these things, I get notified. I know that someone just shared my video. I get to know you. I get to know that you're supporting me and you like what I'm doing. I appreciate you. For those of you who have been doing it, I appreciate you. I appreciate you a whole lot. Now, today is Sigla Educazione, still on Sigla Educazione. We've done just one video on Sigla Educazione. This is the second video. Okay. Now, most of these videos, I drop them in the description box from the starting of this particular chapter. They are underneath each other. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. You can see them in the description box, all right? That's the previous video we took before this one. And then the next video, I'm going to drop this particular one underneath the next video. That way you're going to know all videos that fall under this particular Signa Educazione. Or better still, you go to the playlist. You're going to see Signa Educazione in the playlist. Okay? All right, let us get started. Like I said, today we are doing Sigla Educazione, and the first on this list is Preavviso, Incrocio, Urbano. Now we are doing Preavviso, Incrocio, Urbano 1 and 2. We have its two types, so we are seeing two types in this particular video. Preavviso means it's warning you ahead of a junction in the city. All right, Preavviso, it tells you ahead of this junction in the city. Now, this one we see have Sora Napoli. Here we have Centro, we have Stazione. When you see this particular signal for Voluti, they tell you. It says Preavviso un incrocio urbana è su fondo bianco. Remember, say when it is for white background like this, it tell you of a junction for inside of the city. You want you ahead of this junction inside of the city, but it's here for white background. Riportando i nomi del lungo raggiungibile. You see, they tell you of the place where you want to reach, the names of the place where you go reach. Okay. In questo caso indica di svoltare a destra per raggiungere la stazione ferroviaria e il centro. Now it tells you that when you turn to your right on this junction ahead of you, you have two places where you want to go from that right. One, centro. Number two, stazione. All right. Tells you stazione ferroviaria, which is a train station, or centro, when you svolta a destra. Now it says indica di proseguire diritto per Sora e Napoli, or go straight forward to get to Sora, Napoli. Okay. Now it is this particular junction sign. It is easy to understand. When you drive, you see them. If you keep going straight, you go reach Sora, you'll get to Napoli. Or if you want to turn to your right, you can. You can turn to your right to get to Centro or Stazione Ferroviaria. It is as simple as that. All right. So it depends where you're going to. Now, most of these signals, even without Google Map, you can get to where the city where you want to go to. Then you use your Google Map to get to the particular point where you want to reach. Okay, because these signals are on the road, helping you to direct you to where you're going to. So if I know how they go, I want to go Central, and you're driving towards this direction, this signal is there to tell you that when you go to your right, you're going to Central. Then when you get to Central, you can put your map to where the exact street point where you're heading to. You see? So because most times this map they cause distraction as well. Okay, let us see the next one. Preavviso Incrocio Urbano. Number 2, the type we'll get again, Milano Centro. Now remember, say what you want to know the Preavviso di Incrocio Urbano, it dey for Fondo Bianco. The one for inside of the city where they warn you of these junctions, it dey for Fondo Bianco, white background. Okay, now I say Preavviso di Incrocio Urbano è su fondo bianco, white background. They tell you say now this signal now inside of the city dey, now inside of the city they place am. Okay, it warns you of junction where they for inside of the city. Fondo bianco. Riportando i nomi dei luoghi raggiungibili. In questo caso indica di svoltare a destra per raggiungere il centro. Indica di proseguire diritto per Milano. Now it tells you, turn to your right to go to centro, or if you want to go to your, if you're going straight forward, go straight forward to get to Milano. It is as simple as that. Guys, I believe with this sign, you already know what I'm trying to say. I mean, it's explanatory on its own. Do you understand? Go to your right to get to Centro. Keep going straight forward if you're going to Milano. Basta. Now, that is that for Preavviso in Incrocio Urbano. More signals. Now, remember, say, the way you know the Preavviso, this particular billboard, should I call it a billboard or should I call it a junction? What are you of a junction ahead anyway? Now it is on a white background, please. Okay, it is different from that where you go see for inside of that is outside of the city. This one is a bit different than that way you go see outside of the city. That is why I'm trying to hit on Fondo Bianco, because Fondo Bianco, on inside of the city, you go to see this white background. Okay, when you do for white background like this, inside of the city. Okay, Urbano, inside of the city, white background. When we get to outside of the city, you're going to see them in another background. Okay, it is different. Even when you get to Autostrada, you still see it in another background. So I'll be coming up with these videos, okay, to explain where you go see the next background color. Okay, I wouldn't want to say it in this video so I don't confuse you. I'm trying so hard not to say it. This thing won't come off my mouth, but I try so hard to hide it so that you don't get confused. Okay, I'm going to come up with that video. Let me not come and scatter this one you've learned. Okay, this one now only for Urbano, please. And na Fondo Bianco. See you in my next video. Bye.